Hello everyone, this is Geeta. See, it's a very big task for the parents to make the child to learn capital letters. That is letters. Either it might be of capital letters or small letters. How to make the child to write capital letters in forward. This is our topic. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Learners with Geeta. Let's enter into the topic. See, always while writing the capital letters, keep in mind that the capital letters always should touch the first three lines. The first three lines should be used for capital letters. This is the rule in English. See how to write this. Capital letter A. Touch the up line and start and end in the third line. Capital letter B. Capital letter C. Capital letter D. Capital letter E. Capital letter F. Capital letter G, capital letter H, capital letter I, capital letter J, capital letter K, capital letter L, capital letter M. See, M should touch all the three lines. Capital letter N, capital letter O, capital letter P, capital letter Q, capital letter R, capital letter S, capital letter T, capital letter U, capital letter V, capital letter W, capital letter X, capital letter Y, and capital letter Z. This is how it goes. By using all the three lines, we should write the capital letters. It's very simple to make the child to learn. If you do like the video, please do subscribe my channel. This is Learners with Geeta. Thank you for watching.